Well, you know, it's the time of year where seasonal depression is real. These short, cold days with seemingly not so much to do can really dampen people's spirits. Now consider that, and it's not hard to believe, experts say, that there's an increase in the number of addiction cases this time of year.
Yeah, that's why it's vital to highlight resources that can help. We'd like to introduce you to the Deputy Health Officer for the Wicomico Health Department, Dr. Cynthia Calixte. Doc, thanks for joining us. What can you tell us about the increase in addiction right now?
Well, especially with COVID, we've just seen the cases go up. In 2020, we had 47 overdose deaths from both alcohol and drugs. And in 2021, although we don't have the full year data, we only have up until the month of September, we had 42 deaths from drug and alcohol overdoses.
So what do you contribute to the increase?
A lot of times it's mental health, or just like people just aren't using the resources that they have, or they are feeling alone. There's many factors. There's a lot of social factors too. A lot of people without work, and I've heard from them how hard it's been throughout COVID. It's just been so stressful a time for themselves, especially when they felt just isolated on their own. So those could be some of the contributing factors to why we're seeing these numbers go up.
Are you seeing a lot of folks coming in and trying to seek out help and get treatment?
Unfortunately, not as many that should be, you know, and that's one of the main reasons that I'm here, because we want, I'm representing the health department because I want the community to know that we are available to you and we have so many resources available.
Yeah, so let's dig in.
Yes.
Tell us, what are some of the programs?
Well, first, I want to let everyone know where we are, because a lot of times people are confused as to where the health department is, because we have multiple buildings. So where behavioral health is actually downtown on East Main Street. We have outpatient services where a person can see alcohol counselor and a prescriber, and we provide methadone, Suboxone, and Vivitrol as their services to help those with opioid. We also have an intensive outpatient program, and that's a more structured program for those that just need a little bit more help to get to where they need to be.
Now, how does someone get into the program? Is there a cost? Is there a registration? How do they do that?
Great question. So we take all insurances, and they can just walk in, because we have same-day assessments every morning at 8 a.m. So you could just walk into the building and just let us know, what you need, and there's a counselor there to see you and assess you and provide you with the services.
Deputy Health Officer for Wicomico County Health Department, Dr. Cynthia Calixte. Thank you so much for joining us. Very important information.
Thank you.